Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to change languages on FTMO account. So if you want to change the language, first of all what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in trader.ftmo.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of FTMO. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So initially you'll be led to the accounts overview interface. You can see over here right now the language is English. So if you want to change the language, for that what you have to do is click on the profile option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the profile interface. You'll be able to find various options like personal information, account information, security, etc. So in order to change the language, what you have to do is click on this option, account information. Now you'll be led to the account information interface. Over here you'll be able to find the options for username, language and time zone. So if you want to change the language, simply click on the field of language. Now simply select the language that you want to change to. You'll be able to find variety of options over here. So simply click on the option of your choice. Now after doing that, what you have to do is click on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here the language will be changed. So that is how you change languages on FTMO account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.